Hey Dee, I got a new PB.
Which one, bro? And from where did you bring the peanut butter?
Dad.
Let me guess. You got a PB. Am I right?
Yeah, but how did you know it?
What else do you do?
I think I should gift wrap his cube for tomorrow. Happy birthday, kiddo. This year I have bought you Rubik's cube as a gift.
Seems interesting. Need to check it out. Mom, this cube is so rough that it is not rotating.
Haven't you read the manual? They have told there how to use it.
Use hammer to start for the first time.